Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it is not going to be about the ZL1. Actually, going to be all about my 5th gen Camaro Optimus Prime. And we're going to do something really crazy. I'm pretty sure you guys have never seen before, but I'm going to display him here. I'm sure you guys seen it in the thumbnail. But either way, let's go. As mentioned, I don't know if you guys have ever seen, there's a lot of cool taillights that are out there. Not so many for the 5th gen, anymore, because 6th gen came out, then the 6th gen got discontinued. But needless to say, I did get in contact with today's sponsor, which is spelled N-O-R-I, Nor-I Lights, and he makes custom infinity taillights, which are absolutely sick, and I got them right here. Well, now what's really cool about these taillights is actually in the daytime, they do have like a black tint finish on them, but then when I turn these on, it looks like it's infinity. The lights look like they just keep going all the way through. You'll see the flow and the effect that they actually have. The install is a really straightforward install. You just got these 3 little rivets right here that you need to take off, and of course, you got your regular harness, so you can go ahead and plug it in. Now, he does provide also resistors. So I know that he's getting his batch ready to go ahead and send me resistors, because if you don't have resistors on with lights like this, you might get that little hyper flash, but the moment you plug in the resistors, which his are plug and play. Enough talking for me, we're just gonna go ahead and get this video going. All right, you guys, first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and open up the trunk, which I already had it unlocked. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop off these covers right here with these little push clips, and then you'll have full access to the lights themselves. And then these bezels also, you wanna make sure you get to. Very, very easy to remove. I'll show you guys. Use one of these guys right here, and that should do it. So that way you don't scratch this. I've seen people use screwdrivers, but you don't need all that. You just give it a little bit like that. Comes right up, pops right out. That's it. Now when you remove this, there's a little like tab right here in the corner. You're just gonna go ahead and push down on this tab and pull out. Just like that. Comes right apart. That's it. Now we're gonna take out the other 10mm bolts. This one, I believe, should be ready. Yep. All right, so I found out that I actually had to remove the little covers on each side of the sound system, the little boards that closed out the sides, because I actually need to get to the bottom where the lights are actually connected, because they're connected all the way down there. I couldn't just pull it from here on the side. Easy. Let's get it. Yep. Time to get in there. Get those wires out. All right, and just like that, boys, the car is put back together. The lights are disconnected, so now they can come right out finally. And there's the connections that was all down there. Woo, that's a sick setup. Definitely a nice little set of wires, that's for sure. All right, you guys, so the next thing to do, so we can test the lights. There's the connection. Got to pop this bulb out like that. I'm using gloves too, so that way I don't touch the actual bulb. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna test these to see if they turn on. Now, if you decide to go and put all of them first and then turn them on to see if they work, you can. Just keep in mind, if the light doesn't turn on, the other one does. All you gotta do is pop this out, flip it the other way, and pop it back in. So if you put it in one direction and it don't work, just take it out, flip it, do the other way. So we're gonna try this way. All right, everyone, moment of truth. Try it again. Woo! Oh my God, those are sick. Wow, look at that. That is incredible. Oh yeah, we got to get the rest of them installed. You guys, let's go. You guys, also another thing to keep in mind, these are the stock nuts that you put on, so that way you can put the lamps in place. But I really, really like what he provides right there, because you could just do it by hand. I like it. I'm swapping mine out. All right, everyone, the car is done. It is officially done. What we're gonna do is, as you can see right now, the lights are off. and they have that black tint, that clear tint that's on there, which looks really, really good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the lights on, and then I'm gonna get up close to it as well. Boom. Oh my God. Let me show you. That looks wild. Yep, that's crazy. We gotta get some rollers. We gotta get some B-rolls. All right, you guys, as you can see, the car is officially done. Right here behind me, you can see it. We're gonna go take a spin real quick and find a spot where we can get some nice shots so I can talk about these lights. Man, these things look absolutely sick. As you guys can see, I got my Camaro right here behind me, and I'm gonna highlight a couple of things here with these taillights that I really like. I'm gonna show you guys here in a second. It's really cool because the effect that it has on these lights actually looks like you have taillight tint on the actual lights, but you don't have any taillight tint. And if you're like me throughout the years, if you own a 5th gen or you just bought a 5th gen now and then you decided to put taillight tints on there, you'll notice that on the taillight tint, it doesn't always sit perfect on there. What I mean by, like, if you look at it closely, it's got a little shimmering little design in it, a little shimmering little look inside of the tint because it's window tint. But this right here, this setup is crazy because it looks tinted, but you can actually still see through them, which is amazing. I don't even know how he did that. And what's really cool about it too is you can actually see the lights when it's daytime and you brake. You can actually see the lights when it's nighttime. Even though it's got like a dark like tint on there, you could still see perfectly through them. They're bright as if you didn't have any tint on there, which is really impressive, man. Like, it really shocks me and surprises me. The moment I got them, you get for what you pay for. I wanted to make sure that I keep the install video simple, not too crazy. It is really straightforward. You just swap out the original tail lights and put the new ones in, and they're just plug and play. Now, what I will recommend for all you guys out there to get, so you don't get that hyper flash, I recommend that you guys get the resistors from him as well, and that way you guys don't get that hyper flash. Some people get those and they always wondered what kind of caused that reason for it to do the hyper flash, and it was because it didn't have resistors on the tail lights, and that's what caused the tail lights to do the hyper flash. But let me show you guys what I mean, even with hazards on. Well, you know what, we'll just hit the brakes while we're in here. And this way you guys could see what it looks like with the brakes. There it is, the brakes. And then hazards. You could see it in the daytime. You could see them perfectly in the daytime. I'm actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Enough talking from me. Let's get up close and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean again. Guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This one was a really good one too. I really enjoyed this one because for the longest time I've been patiently waiting to see if anybody was ever going to release these taillights, because I've seen them, I believe, on a C5 and a C6 Corvette, and I was like, okay, how do I get my hands on a set of these? And I'm sure you guys have thought the same thing. How can I get something custom? You're thinking to yourself, I still have my 5th gen Camaro, so I would love to change it up a little bit on the back of the car. And now we finally got it. So I'm gonna make sure I tag, and big shout out, his Instagram is called Norai Lights. Now I'm gonna make sure that I leave his information down below in the description. There's gonna be a discount code for you guys. Prime, get you 10% off the lights. He has them all in stock, ready to go. And make sure you guys don't forget to get the resistors so that way you don't get that hyper flash. Sometimes they flash kind of quick. You don't want that. You want it to look just like factory. And these are absolutely incredible. People that are driving behind me to stop at red lights, they stop a little bit distant so they can see, because they're like, it's like an infinity look going through the tail light. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's like a tunnel. Like a tunnel vision is what you're seeing. Like, I'm not even sugarcoating it. Once you guys get them for yourselves, you guys are gonna thank me later, I promise you. But either way, I appreciate you guys and all your patience. I know I haven't dropped the vlog in a few weeks, but I'll be explaining really soon what's going on. All I can say is Superman is down, and we're not gonna be driving it for a little bit, and I'll explain why in the next video. So be sure to stay tuned for that one. But either way, if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these tail lights. Are you guys gonna get them for yourself now that I'm finally releasing these? And I'm super excited for all of you guys to get them. But in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling at the house, prep time, chilling in the car, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.